Hi students, today I teach you class 7th subject English chapter number 2 questions and answers part 1 book An Alien Hand supplementary. Question number 1. The enclosure in which Curry lived had a thatched roof that lay on thick tree stumps. Examine the illustration of Curry's pavilion on page 8 and say why it was built that way. Answer. Curry Pavilion was built under a thatched roof, having its support on a thick tree trunk. The support was necessary to save the roof from falling down when he moved about and bumped against the bamboo poles. Question number 2. Did Curry enjoy his morning bath on the river? Give a reason for your answer. Answer. Yes, Curry loved to be taken to the river for his bath. He lay down on the sand bank. The narrator rubbed his body with clean sand. Then he washed his body with water. He used to make sounds joyfully. Question number 3. Finding good twigs for curry take a long time. Why? Answer. The narrator had to work hard to gather soft new twigs for curry. He had to climb all kinds of trees. If the twigs were deformed, Curry refused to eat them. Question number 4. Why did Curry push his friend into the stream? Answer. Curry pushed his friend into the stream because a boy was drowning in the water. Curry himself could not save and carry the boy to the ashore. Question number 5. Curry was like a baby. What are the main points of comparison? Answer. Curry was like a human baby. He had to be taught a few lessons to become good. Like a baby, he too played some mischief. He used to steal away the fruits from the dining table. Question number 6. Curry helped himself to all the bananas in the house without anyone noticing it. How did he do it? Answer. Curry was mischievous but intelligent creature. He started taking away the bananas kept on the dining table. He used his black long trunk to steal fruits through the window. Question number 7. Curry learned the commands to sit and to walk. What were the instructions for each command? Answer. Curry learned the commands to sit down or stand up and walk fast or slow. The word dhat was the command to sit down. The word mali was the command to walk.